Hi everybody, I have here the EPE EasyPour Epoxy 1 gallon kit that I got. I'm so excited to use this. It's awesome. You can use it. I'm going to be using it for an art project. You can also use epoxy for coating, tabletop, wood, jewelry. But this kit's awesome because it also comes with everything you need, like mixing cups, silicone spatula, and a spreader. So let's open it up and check it out. And awesome, you can see right in there, it's nicely packaged. So let's check it out. Here's the resin, the mixing cup. This is really nice. It actually has the directions on the cup. And you can kind of see how big it is too. It's a nice big mixing cup. And then we have here the hardener. This is the hardener. And then the second mixing cup. So this is great. It kind of gives you an idea of how big they are. Like I said, I love that it has the measurements in the mixing cup and the directions. That's awesome. We've got the spreader, the silicone spatula. So there we go. And these are both 1/2 gallon. So these are a 1/2 gallon of resin and a 1/2 gallon of hardener. And let's see what else. Then we've got a nice little thank you card in here and then directions for mixing. I love that because I'm relatively new to using resin and hardener. So I love that the directions are right there for me. Yeah, so let's get to it. I'm so excited to get started with my art project. But yeah, you can tell this is like a really high quality kit. I love it. You can also buy extras. So I also have this one that's the premium epoxy resin by EPE EasyPour. So this actually just has the extra 1/2 gallon of hardener and a 1/2 gallon of resin. You can purchase that without the entire kit too. So that is the EPE EasyPour Epoxy set. So now I'm going to show you how to mix them and get started on a fun art project. So check it out, get creative. You're going to love this high quality set too.